Hi, let's draw and paint easy triangle Christmas trees using Crayola markers. Grab a marker and we're going to draw a triangle. Then, rather than coloring your triangle in with a marker, we're just going to swish some colors around, maybe a couple of different greens if you have them, and then I'm going to grab a wet paintbrush and move the marker ink around just like watercolor paint. Now I'm going to add 3 lines to the bottom to form a tree trunk. Easy, right? You can draw with a marker, add glue, glitter, or even paper and ribbon or sequins to your Christmas tree. We hope you enjoyed this lesson, and we'll hit the red subscribe button and you'll know when we add more Christmas art to our Christmas playlist. But most importantly, we pray you forget not the Lord in this season and every day.